Hi folks, today we're going to be doing an update video on my 1987 Yamaha TT225. Currently we have the engine out of it. Planning on tearing that apart if need be. Definitely going to need to. But really runs. It runs pretty alright. We got some new grips on here. They actually are really nice. We just stuck this grip over the old throttle tube. Doesn't really make a difference. It'll work if anything. So paint's actually pretty good right here underneath the gas tank. There's a new coil, as you can see right here, this orange electrocution thingy. And
oh yeah,
sprocket,
so you got one
tire,
yeah,
swing arm.
You got one going to the wire in the harness.
Yeah. So yeah, headlight fell off.
we need to find another RD90s.
And the engine. So you said what was it? The output shaft?
Yeah.
The output shaft. Show them in there. You can see that moving in there.
Yeah.
That's not supposed to move. Probably split in half, I think.
When it's in gear, this has mad play too. It does that with all the gears. And that's also where the kickstart goes.
Yeah. So that would explain in that one video why there was that loud crack. Was it even in the video?
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll be able to hear it. We'll insert clip.
Oh.
Yeah.
A slow-mo clip. But gonna tail this apart.
Yeah, there's only one wire.
Gonna tear it apart, fix it, rebuild it into what we need it to be, and then we're gonna take it up north once it's in good shape.
I can't find one.
And to the riding park in Sturgis.
Yeah.
Probably there first.
There is a route. In fact, we found out that there is a riding park in Sturgis. We had no clue.
It's
Called
like
Rouch's Racing Park or something.
yeah,
or,
it's like 15 minutes away from here.
yeah,
Or 20 minutes.
it's really nice. Sturgis, Michigan. Sturgis, Michigan.
Hit him with the lip.
Hope you guys have a good night. Thanks for tuning in to the Cletus Sambone YouTube channel. Take care. Hi folks, welcome back to the Cletus Sambone YouTube channel. Today, or tonight, since it's black as men, I'm here to talk about my plans for my 1987 Yamaha TT225. Insert picture here. Links to the playlist about it will be in the description below. It's literally just called like Yamaha TT225 or something like that. So plans for it so far is to rebuild the engine because we already have it out. Insert picture here again. And then put together what needs to be put together and get a new back tire, new front wheel.
Well, I think the tires are good for now. Once they like giving us problems, that's when we're changing them. But right now they hold air and they have good tread, so.
Yeah, but might as well have backups just in case.
If you can buy them, yeah.
Yeah. Plans right now, get it fixed up, restore it. We'd like to fully restore it by the end of 2026. Hopefully by the spring or the fall.
Yeah, I'd say spring 2026, it should be completely restored by then.
As long as we have the funds to do it, it'll be done. So, yeah, keep tuned in for that. And I hope you guys have a good night. Thanks.